Hello, 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 hello. Good morning, good morning, good morning, everyone. How are you guys? We will start stream in another 2 minutes. Just going through some configurational settings over here. All right. Hello, 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 all my friends. How are you guys? I am back again, and we will take a deep dive on BTC in few more minutes. What exactly BTC is doing, right? So and then we'll start it to see what exactly BTC going through, what kind of uh, what kind of momentum we have. All right, all right, all right, all right. All right, guys. So we will start. We started already. I'm just finding out the levels. We will try to take a look what exactly BTC is doing. All right, guys. So today the market is looking good on the buy side. All right. So we'll start it to see in another few what exactly market is doing and wanted to do. Right. Tap then survive above. So let's go back to 5 minutes. Go back to 5 minutes. Today we will only look for the buy side, guys. As we can see the market. This is the setup I love in the market. Like this setup, right? So if the market has started to go like this is a very good setup. It means market is trying to go up, right, and try to fill all the gaps which was unmitigated in the market, right? And time is 6:34 a.m. right now, which is I'm hoping in another couple more minutes we can see a good momentum in the entire market. No economic data today, right? So we definitely gonna do some trades today. Um, we will find the opportunity. Our job is to find the opportunity in the market, which we will do. Okay. So 1 minute is good from this level 86, 789, where the market is right now 87, 147. So we can wait for 86, 877 if we can. And now, good thing the market has come over this particular trend line. We started to break down as always, right? So if we started to break down over 4 hours or 4 hour, I think the trend line was there, right? So this trend line was trying to save the market before equal low occurred in the market, right? And equal low occurred and then it went up right over here, and then it's trying to survive, and then we have one trend line coming from the top also, right? But so far in the day market is looking little green over here. Let me remove these drawings so we can have a clear view. All right, guys. All right, all right. So let's see what exactly Bitcoin is doing. If the Bitcoin able to break there is a liquidity sitting right at 87,745, which can act as a resistance in the market. The market made equal low grab the liquidity and trying to go up, right? So we have little, little upside momentum today, right? Little uptrend over 15 minutes, right? We see a good selling right over here, and then it's time to go up, right? The higher low, we have a lower low and the higher low. So that's a good thing. The market is able to make a higher low on 15 minutes, and that's the reason the market started to go up, because we have this consolidation, previous consolidation, which is trying to save the market. And that is what important in the market, right? I mean, you always have something which is saving the market at the end of the day, right? So let's take a look. Let's take a look here. So first, as the market starts, we can always have our small trend line draw, which Bitcoin is respecting today, which is a good thing, right? So, and it has made a small order block over 15 minutes. So 86,651, right? If I go back to five minutes, then we have numerous order blocks sitting right over here, right? If trying to look at the fair value gap, it's not even making fair value gaps today, which is another good thing, right? No fair value gap, it's just pure order block. The market is making purely an order block today. And if we do not have, if we do not have a fair value gap, it means the market is really good in terms of strength. Because if we have a fair value gap, then it's a manipulation. If we do not have fair value gap, it means a real buy is started to come in the market. All right, so we will find out our levels in few more minutes, that what exactly the market is doing. So far it is doing good. If I go for 5 minutes, we see a good buying came from 860. It is 86,868 level, right? So this is the level I am expecting. 86,867. Will market will come back, grab the liquidity, and then try to go up again. That's what market is doing today. Okay, so we can find some good level over here, which I wanted to market to tap this order block, and then we'll see a buy again. All right, we can find out what exactly ES is doing. What ES is doing, and like, because when the market opens, then all these things uh, definitely matter in the market. So if the future is able to cross 6818, so far everywhere we started to see some buying in the market, right? This morning we are seeing buying in the market so far, which is really good for stock market today, for the opportunities. And this is what I think everyone loves, because if the market comes on top, and then if it has no room, then I think hardly people will try to enter at the top, right? Inflation data 6 minutes ago, gain ahead of inflation data, right? So today we have inflation data. I guess that's what it looks like. I can try to check. And that's what the news in the market, that's against on the inflation data. Inflation data. Oh, yes, we have. No, it's not inflation data. What is going on? Economic calendar. Do we have anything today? Oh, we have lot of thing. My God, we have initial jobless claim, CPI, core CPI. Wow, we have a lot of thing today. Where market knows something little bit in advance. So we have lot of things today, which can make the market go more higher, right? So very first target on Bitcoin would be BTC. It has to bounce back from, so 86 6 and 86 and 868. That is where I am planning to buy over 5 minutes. Let's see, 3 minutes. That is the first resistance after a long time since morning. We see market has made first resistance over here. So 86 848. If the market is coming, then we will try to buy, right? So what is the daily says? What does daily says in the market today for the Bitcoin? And that's very important. Very, very important. Daily is green so far, right? Daily is green so far. We have news in the market, but and the good thing is that on the daily, the market from the like the previous candle, right? The market stays over it, which is a lower high, which is a good thing, right? Which is a good thing for the market, right? So let's wait for this level to tap 86 848. That is where I am targeting to buy one quick long. All right, all right, all right. So so we have one of the in after a long time we see one of the order blocks sitting here, which basically sitting over 3 minutes. But we do see a good buy in the market. So my take on today will be like I would like to open a long on the BTC. So let's see in how much time we can find an opportunity in the market. That's very important, right? So let's see. The market has to come back to its own level, and when we see its own level, then we can look for a buy side of opportunity, right? 86 855. So this is the level. Wait for the market to tap this, and we will see a buy in the market. All right. If it is going up, then we will buy a short in the market. This is over 3 minute. Let me see if we have anything in the 1 minute. Oh my god, we see 1 minute also. Markets are reversed right from here. 87,000. 86 993. So 86 900 I wanted to buy. Like if the market, what market is doing, market is coming here. Market has good, like I think you were not giving opportunity for 1 minute. We want to see the opportunity. We'll try to find out, right? I mean, the volume is good. Buying is keep coming in the market, uh, which is a good thing. So good market buy can come right from here. Let's see. So let's that trend line does not matter, but what matter is I want this is so over 1 minute, right? Even in 1 minute, this was a good buy level. So I want market to touch this water block 86,994. Grab all the unmitigated order and then go for it. And little bit more down 87,000. So this is our level buy level. Okay. Because on 3 minutes we can find our key level, right? Okay, 3 minutes we have a fair value gap sitting right over here, but this will work like a magnet. 5 minutes we have here 86 867, but 1 minute, let's see if we see a good, because good volume is there in the market, and that's what I am deciding to go over 1 minute, because on 1 minute it can quickly tap and quickly give us our targets. Okay, so let's see, it is coming on its level. Or if market goes 87 200, then I will love to short. Confirmation candle is important in the market, right? So always make sure whenever you are buying or selling, that should be done uh, only, like when you have the market coming on your levels, right? Today we'll definitely get our target quick, because the volume is good. When the volume is good, then no need to think much, and we can definitely see a good target. All right. So we'll wait for our level. We'll wait for our level in the market, then we will see a buy. So it came down, but it did not tap the order block. So, and then it is going up, and then has created a one short order block, right? And market is giving our level today, so we will wait for it. In the meantime, we can look at gold, what exactly gold is doing. XAU USD. All right, team. So I can see the Bitcoin is coming back to 87,000. This is where I told you. we'll see a buy probably in the market. And we are waiting for that level. All those levels are important in the market because if you look at what BTC is doing right now, since morning, right, the where the trend starts again, it is respecting this trend line, and as soon as it's time to go up, this trend line gap is getting bigger. So at some point, but it is still following the trend. At some point, the market, what it will do, it will try to come back to its support line, and that is where we can find out some good opportunity in the market, right? Yeah, so that is where I have plan where the trading will be done. Okay, so we can see a uh, good confirmation candle survive over this order block, and then we can just hit our target quick. Until that, it will just pass the time over here, try to trap the buyers, try to trap the sellers. It will trap both sides, right? And I think whoever in the market, they know very well what is trapping, right? So careful with the trapping zone. Never stuck in the trapping zone. If you are, then you will definitely lose. Always buy and sell BTC on your targets, right? So I would love to open short from here, and the short reason is simple, that it's one of the was the first time it make a short, right? So it came up, and then this 87 to 80. uh, it is coming, right? So it is heading towards its shorting level, and then we will see how the market is reacting at this level. Will not waste time today. As soon as the market taps, we will open up our because it should supposed to tap this order block. It has not done that. As soon as it tap, uh, the short will be open. Just wait for the levels. Let the market respect your levels, and then you can take the shorts. Whenever the market has started do small dance, right? I mean, after tapping a certain level, that is the level, like we can see the market, it's doing its thing, trying to trap up and down both side, right? Let's wait for market touch this to 87 to 81, and then we will open a short. It's touched the level and I'm going to open a short here. So it touched our level, I see, and a quick short can be done. I only waiting for the confirmation candle. Okay. Now position is open, and then let's see. Just wait for the market. My short position is open. Okay, and then we will see what market gonna do here. Shorts are open already, as I said, and just wanted to see how it's gonna execute it, what it's gonna do. So short is open. Traded status is open right now, and our target, as I already told you, the target will be this 87,104. So 87 to 80 is the level where we can see a good shorting. It's a good shorting level, or either and the stop loss should be above, right? So this should be your stop loss, 100 points. Make sure we have always 100 point stop loss. Okay. The current short is open, and then let's see what is going to happen. So as I said, one of the short position is open, and this is our target 87,100. Let's see how much time it will survive here, right, before making a move. The level is tapped and just waiting for it to make a move. So either make a higher high, this higher high, tap it. The market coming every time it is making this is higher low, higher high, then higher low, and then another higher high it will try. Right? If it is failing on this, then we will see a good drawdown in the market. As I said on short position, the target is 8700. The market should go up to there and then it should come back with good power. Then we will open a long. Okay. One more confirmation candle over 3 minutes. How much time left in 3 minutes? 31 seconds. So market has to take the 87 to 30 out, and then market has candle has to close below. That is what the pattern should be. Once it's done, then we can see a good rejection to 87,119. Trade status is on. Trade is on. Here you go, man. Here you go. Here you go. approaching to first target. Our positions already in the money. 221, 277, 315. Still, my target is 87 and 100. So let's see how it's gonna do. First target is 8700. Another one, guys. Another one. The target is complete now. Over 3 minutes, if we see a good, good drawdown, then we can see market up to here, up to here. Yes. So first target is complete. We can move to another one. Vaibhav 8500. Bro, I will update you on the next trade. But quickly we can see another buy. As I see a sell is followed already, and over 1 minute we have couple of order blocks sitting here, which can save the market from further falling. Open long when market hit 86,900. This I was sure because this was a level from 3 minute, right? So 3 minute levels is still working in the market. What I wanted market to go back to 86,850, and let's see when it's gonna start. This is a good buy again at this level. The only thing is how the holding looks, right? Because it has still not made the it has crossed this low. If the market is not breaking this low, 87,019, the market is still safe to enter for the buyer side. If market is breaking this low, which is a liquidation point, then we can see further drawdown back to 86 and 837. So we will see another buy here. The target again 87 because market wanted to go up, and that's the logic behind this trade that I took it like quickly. I in and out, right? Because the market is giving our levels on 1 minute today. That's nice, so nice, right? So um and then again I wanted to buy right from this level, but I wanted to see the reaction because this is the first time it is tapping this order block. What I wanted, it should go below this order block, and it has again made an order block right over here. So again one more selling can be done exactly from this point. So all I'm waiting to market come back again, retrace it to 278. Because at this 1 minute order block I did not see a good reaction in the market, right? So that's the reason. And the logic is pretty simple because we see an order block sitting. This is a 5 minute order block where we have good consolidation in the past. Sorry, 3 minute, right? So the market passed really a good time over here and then it started. That's the reason I sorted, right? Because it's this is failed here, it's failed here, an equal high and failure. When this occur in the market, we can see a good selling again in the market. Okay, I want market to touch 86 and 800 level. We can look at XAU at USD also. What gold is doing? Gold is mostly on selling side so far. The daily of gold is, yeah, this is what the level I told yesterday, 4314, and it's coming back to the same, right? We can see again good buying in the gold up to that level. It's only a matter of time because it has not tapped this level again when it comes back. So only thing we have to wait is the market to touch this level 4318 on the gold. If the market again coming back to 4318, then it's a buy. The market has buyer today, but now like the time opens and you can see that we have some selling started to come in the market also, right? And that is where I'm inclined because the market still has a downtrend. Any small rally has an opportunity to short the market, right? And that is where that is I took the advantage this morning. um I can just share the image. I have planned to short BTC again if it comes back on the same level. We'll reshort the BTC, to be very true. As I said, if market able to break this low, then we are seeing a Bitcoin here 86,847. Until that, it's good. All right, but if it's break this low, then we are going down. All right, other side, what SPY is doing the same thing. What BTC is doing over 1 minute time frame, it made a small sell order block and then it started to go down. We have inflation data coming at 8:30. I think that is where the market is waiting for, right? Over 3 minutes. And these are all important levels in the market. I'm just waiting for another shot, right? And we see some consolidation here. If BTC able to survive, then it will try to create an order block. The market came back and make an order block of sell side. That's the liquidity I was waiting for. That's the liquidity I always have to wait in the market and then take the trades, right? Okay, this is a nice candle. We'll see. Okay, another nice candle. Let's see if it is able to break this time above. All right. Market is surviving slowly here, and we see a big bullish candle so far, and we will wait. Yes, we have to wait for the confirmation candle. Always have to wait for the confirmation candle. All right, so I was just waiting for the confirmation candle, and we see a good fair value gap, and market might react this fair value gap. So let's see if market will survive this here. Then we can see this fair value gap, right, and try to see a one more shot again. So 366 the market touched, right? And what market is doing after that? So this is the, this is what we have to understand always, going from left to right, uh, right, I mean, and find it out the market levels. That is the toughest job. And as I said, like, market has created this a fair value gap right over here, and now it is trying to survive above this fair value gap. We see that it tapped and then came right after it, right? So which is a good thing in the market. So if market could not able to, and it made a high, this candle was, it made a high over here. Actually, like, this one is again selling side. Yeah, we have to wait a lot for the second one. Either, just enter into the market as soon as you see the candle, uh, or we have to wait for the market to give us a confirmation. So I'm waiting for the confirmation. First one trade is completed already, and now heading to second trade. We see in this particular candle, this was a good engulfing candle which took all the entries out, and the very next candle shows it, right? I mean, if I show you 1 minute, you can see, you can have more picture about it. So it taps the order, yeah, like fair value gap, and then it is going up. So this particular trade is will be invalid if market able to make another new high, right? And only valid if market started to started to go another high, then this trade is invalid. I have not even entered yet. As I always say, make sure. So let's wait for this 424, 87, 424. If it's unable to cross, then we can see a one more selling in the market. All you have to do is the keep the noise out, and that is how you can, do buy and sell in the market. Stay away whenever you do trading. Stay away from all the noises around you, and that is where it is important, right? So we have lot of fair value gap. The market has started to go in the following this structure. We can see 90,212 in no time. Yes. And that's the reason I did not short, because I see a good engulfing candle, right? And then which has a fair value gap. And then, like, as soon as this candle came, we got some small confirmation. Even we have order sitting in the fair value gap, and those fair value gap immediately get buy. So one trade is completed. I'm just waiting if we can get another opportunity in the market. Whoever is joining here, please let me know what you want me to analyze. You can join my Discord and ask questions. That is where I'm always live. I'm always looking for the people questions and people chat, right? So if you have anything in your mind and you want to have confusion on any stocks or any crypto you want me to analyze, I can do that for you. 87 and 300. either market has to go here for a bigger momentum, right? If we fail again, then we can see this 86,842. My voice is breaking. Okay, let me see what is happening. Uh, Let me test this voice. Okay, brother, I tested on my side. All looks good. Because I have some testing on my side too, right? So that looks good. Maybe it's issue on your side, maybe on the internet. Hopefully, because I have my testing and streaming health says excellent. So, and if we have any issue, the video always tell me whether have any issues or not. So all okay. Thanks, brother. Thank you so much. All right. So all we are waiting is our first trade is completed. Our first trade completed with a nice profit right over here. I'm just waiting for market to do something over here, and I will open a trade. All I'm waiting is if it is failing this level, right, and coming below its 87 to 76, right, then I'm looking for another short opportunity in the market, basically. That's all I'm looking for, and hopefully we will get, because it is passing time over here. In 15 minutes probably we will see another opportunity. That's all I can hope for, because at 8 a.m. Eastern we do see, movement in the Bitcoin, and our first target will be again 87 and 100. Okay, so all I'm waiting for to short this. I started to see wicks from the top, and last high, and then it's again seller appear. This will be the confirmation candle, and then we'll short. Okay, so I'm looking for short again in couple more minutes probably. If it's the only idea would be, because this candle provided us the market high, but it unable to cross this previous high, and then we immediately see the seller pressure. Again, see the seller pressure. We started to see the wick. So all it is doing is collecting all the orders from the top, and then we will see a good drawdown at the bottom. The stop loss will be about obviously 400. If we are so right now it's 342 struggling, 60 point will be stop loss. Right, so I am entering one more short position right over here, and my stop loss is really tight over here. I have entered the trade on the short side, and let's see how it goes. So 1 2 3 4 5, 323, 237. So trade again level, right? So trade status on stop loss 60 points, 87 400. My average Entry is 87 3 360, right? And 40 point stop loss. 40 point stop loss. All right, so all we have to do is just wait. The only thing which is little out of the target is this candle, right? This candle gives us a hint that it tap all the liquidity order from the top, and now we the seller is slowly starting to getting into the market, right? So when we have a sellers in the market and started to tap these kind of liquidity, it means we have some selling pressure and we can see a good sell in the market up to here. That's all. This is all the trade logic here, right? We have started to see wicks. Wherever we started to see the wicks, right, that is where it has started to tell us the market has you know what kind of order flow is coming. So we will just see. I'm pretty sure what they are doing right now, and does not matter how sure you are, you should follow all the rules of your trading, right? And as I said, we have a strict stop loss of 60 points. Entry average price is 360. So my position already in plus right now, 10 points. And definitely I will exit out if it is hitting 400, because that's what the market do, right? One trade is done already. This was my first trade, which easily able to grab the profit of $257, and now heading to another trade. 330. So from average price we have 30 points already in the money. I'm just waiting for this to break completely and go back to 87 100. Come on, Bitcoin. Come on, come on, come on. Give me the target. Oh, here you go, man. Here you go. Here you go. 194. Come on. 265. 281. From our entry. All right. Here you go. Oh, here you go. Wow. It's a jackpot. All right. So trade close. I'm closing my trade. However, we can see more drawdown. But now it is at fair value gap. So we are not taking more risk here. We just closing it right over here. Trade executed. Second trade. Trade status is off. Second trade complete. Trade status off. First trade was this, right? This was our first trade, and now we have a second trade. So this is where I exited, which is 87 192. And let me share what I got from the trade. So one more trade executed successfully. So daily I comes into the market and daily try to have at least two trade completed. So this is what we have on our second trade. So successfully completed, guys. We have two trades, which is done, and pretty much I'm done for the day. Um, right. So we will look for other opportunities. However, my target is still 87 100. That is what I am hoping. Um, and this is the kind of trade we do on our channel. So you are always welcome. You can join my Discord, and that is where I mostly updated all my trades. However, target on BTC is still 87 and 132. All right. 87 100. That is what the target on the BTC is. Once it's achieved, probably it's gonna be, gonna give us a better opportunity. All right, guys. So happy trading days ahead, and goodbye.